Today, we're diving into the story of ProRecruit, an online teacher with a massive secret. And trust me, their secret could completely change how you think about marketing.
So if you've ever been on YouTube or LinkedIn, you might have stumbled across an account called the ProRecruit Learning Society. And at first glance, they look like the real deal, a huge online academy just cranking out these super high-quality tutorials, one after another.
But yeah, like we said, what you see on the surface, it's not the whole picture, not even close. Their main business, believe it or not, has almost nothing to do with education. So what is really going on here? Let's dig in.
All right, first up, let's just look at the persona they've so carefully built for themselves online. This master digital skills teacher.
And I mean, just look at this list. This isn't just one little niche. No way. They are pumping out super detailed courses on pretty much everything. We're talking AI and marketing, SEO basics, complex design software like Framer and Asana. I mean, this is exactly the kind of stuff that professionals are paying big bucks to learn right now.
And we're not talking about a couple of videos here and there. Get this, their YouTube channel has over 233, let that sink in, 233 detailed tutorials. The sheer volume is just incredible.
And all that hard work has definitely paid off. It's built them a pretty serious audience. We're talking more than 4,700 subscribers on YouTube and over 7,400 followers on LinkedIn. Now, for an education channel, those are really solid numbers. It shows they've got a real, engaged audience all over the world.
Okay, so this is where it gets really interesting. It takes a ton of time and effort to create this much expert-level content, right? So the big question is, who is actually behind all this? And maybe more importantly, why are they doing it?
Okay, get ready for the big reveal. This is where the story takes a complete 180. All right, here it is, the twist. The perception, a huge global educator. But the reality, well, according to their own LinkedIn page, ProRecruit is actually a small staffing and recruitment agency. We're talking maybe 2 to 10 employees based out of Lahore, Pakistan. So they're not an online school at all. They're a recruiting firm. Mind-blowing, right?
So how in the world do these two things, a teacher and a recruiter, fit together? Well, it turns out they're not separate identities at all. They're actually two pieces of one really, really clever strategy.
Here's the genius of how it works. Step 1. They publish these amazing, totally free tutorials on skills that are in super high demand. Step 2. All that great content naturally pulls in a global audience. You've got skilled professionals on one side and companies that need those skills on the other. Step 3. By just giving away so much value for free, they build this incredible amount of trust and set themselves up as the experts. And then, here's the kicker. Step 4. They use that trust to connect the talented people they've attracted with amazing business opportunities. It's just brilliant. You know, there's actually a name for this whole approach. It's called content-driven recruitment. It's this idea that instead of just posting a job ad and crossing your fingers, you build this whole world of value, an ecosystem really, that just naturally brings the exact people you want to work with right to your doorstep, candidates and clients. And look, this isn't us just guessing. Their own mission statement on LinkedIn says their whole goal is creating a new standard in recruitment where we create opportunities for everyone. That educational content, that's the engine making that whole mission possible. So what can we all learn from this? Because this isn't just some cool one-off trick. It's basically a new blueprint that could work for almost any business out there today. The big lesson from ProRecruit is actually pretty simple. In this digital age, the absolute best way to market what you know is to give it away. Teaching is the new marketing. So why is this strategy so powerful? Well, for one, it builds real authority. You're not just saying you're an expert, you're proving it. It also acts like a giant magnet for both top talent and new clients. But maybe the most important part? When you provide value up front, you build a foundation of trust that old-school advertising could only dream of. So we'll leave you with this thought. ProRecruit is a tiny company in Pakistan, right? But they're competing on a global stage just by teaching what they know. It's proof that you don't need a crazy huge budget, you just need valuable expertise. Which kind of leaves us all with one final question to think about. What expertise could you be sharing